What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lexx, and I'm back with another video. I don't know, y'all are wondering, but if y'all see this face, y'all know this is the Saturday routine. So I had to shut the door. I had visitors. I had visitors looking at me like, what's going on? But we ain't doing the Saturday routine. I'm just giving y'all a sneak peek. Wait, y'all gonna see this video. Y'all gonna see, do I look crazy? I know. Y'all gonna see this routine later though. But today, we're gonna do a shop with me and cook with me. All right, we're gonna take a trip to our store we love to hate, our favorite love to hate store. You know, we got a love-hate relationship with this store. We're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna pick up. We're gonna do some sliders. Sliders. Extra kids over here, so we're gonna do something quick, simple, and fun for them. So we're gonna do some burger sliders, and I'm probably throwing some potato wedges or ties. So sit back, stay tuned. We're gonna go shopping, and you're gonna cook with me. All right? So get your stuff ready. Get your keys ready. Let me get my face cleaned off, and we'll be back, okay? Get ready. 15 minutes, and we out the door, okay? 15 minutes. Be ready, get out the door. All right. Bye. All right, y'all, we in the car. We in the car. Make sure y'all got your coats out on, okay? Get your coats on because it's nice and cold outside, and this dude didn't cut me off. But all right, we on the way. We on the way to Walmart. Love-hate relationship with Walmart. It is my love-hate because Walmart stay busy, man. Ah! All right, y'all. So we back. We back. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? We back from the store. I couldn't record in there because my phone. I needed to clear out some of the storage in my phone, so I couldn't record in there. So y'all get this. All right, so we back from Walmart, and hopefully you guys picked up everything that you needed to get because I couldn't tell you what you needed to get because of my phone. So we got ground beef. We got ground beef for our sliders. Some pickle slices, American cheese, and I picked up 2 types of rolls. I got the potato rolls, and they're just the regular dinner rolls. And then I got Hawaiian rolls as well, and these are also the slider rolls, the dinner rolls. And then we're gonna do something different. I got Chick-fil-A sauce. So instead of mayonnaise and ketchup, we're gonna put Polynesian and Chick-fil-A. And I also got bacon. So now we're going to cook off the ground beef, and I'm not gonna film this part because cook your ground beef off. Season it how you wanna season it. Cook it off how you wanna cook it off. And we'll be back to assemble the sliders. See the food, you're not gonna see me, okay? So, because I think the most important part is seeing the food, okay? But we're new to this YouTube thing, right? We're new to this YouTube thing, okay? So I have all of the rolls laid out onto my sheet pan, right? I had to break some apart to fit the whole thing on there, but these are the Hawaiian sweet, and then these are the potato rolls, right? So what you're gonna do, and keep it whole. Don't break it apart. You see it's still whole. See it's still whole. Don't break it apart. You're gonna cut it. So you take it. You're gonna cut the whole thing. I'm using a bread knife. This is a bread knife. A bread knife has the ridges on it, so that way it cuts through the bread smooth. All right. You're not gonna tear your bread. You're not gonna rip your bread up. So, see how I got? See how I got 2 halves. I got 2 halves. So I'm gonna put this back on my tray and I'm gonna cut the rest of them. I'm gonna cut you up, baby. 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 So now that we have everything cut up, right? What we're going to do is we're going to take the tops off, put these to the side, take our tops and put them to the side. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the base as the Chick-fil-A sauce. So the base is going to be the Chick-fil-A. And we're just going to get it all on there. You're making cheeseburgers, right? And you don't want no dry cheeseburger. So the base Chick-fil-A. think I put a decent amount of Chick-fil-A. And come back with our cheese. I'm gonna use American and provolone. So for the bottom, I'm going to use American. And I'm just gonna fit them on here like that. So I'm gonna keep going across until I have it all filled in. They're playing hide and seek right now. And I'm gonna just leave that one playing. So this is gonna be a plain little burger. That'll be my burger. So you see I have all the cheese laid out, all the American laid out, right? So then we're gonna come back with our meat. And I was draining the meat, so the meat has been draining. So I have it in my drainer. It's the ground beef. I'm gonna take a spoonful, and I made too much meat. I'm telling you now, I made too much meat. So we're gonna come back with our spoonfuls on the sliders. And it's hot already, y'all, so it's sitting here melting the cheese already. You know, it doesn't take much to melt American cheese. I have the sliders, see it's all covered with the meat. And we have pickle chips. Now, if you don't like pickles, don't put pickles, or put pickles on half and not on the other half. Pickles, don't use pickles. If you do, have a ball. You want to make it the adult version? Do some fried onions. That's what I was going to do, but these kids is ready to eat, so I didn't do it. But you can make it fancy. You can make these nice and fancy. I'm only going to do it on half of it, but you can make it nice and fancy. And you know, switch up the cheeses, switch up your toppings. You do some fried onions, some crispy onions, some jalapenos. I know hot Cheetos is in right now. You can do some hot Cheetos, you know? So don't be scared to venture out. Whatever you can put on a cheeseburger, you can put on this. You can make a fried egg, you know, put fried egg on it. It's a cheeseburger, so don't be scared, okay? So now I left some without pickles because some of the kids don't like pickles, but that's how it looks. With our provolone. And this is regular deli sliced provolone. I went to the deli counter and asked for a half a pound of provolone. Now I'm not going to use this whole half a pound. Some of it I will use for, you know, the kids' lunches. But just gonna put this on there. What it's looking like again, y'all. So we got our provolone. And next we're gonna come through with our bacon. So next we're gonna come through with the bacon. Now I chopped this up. Now I did not finally chop it. I just crunched it up with a knife. So I have some big pieces. I got some small pieces. I got some. So these pieces are not uniform because I wanted to be able to, you know, some bites you get a lot of bacon, some bites you get a little bit of bacon. Bacon should come in all forms and sizes. And y'all, I was eating some of this, so it's not a lot of bacon. It's not like how I would want, but make as much bacon as you want to put on your sandwiches, okay? But like I said, I got hungry, so I started eating some. Put the Polynesian on it. So we got Chick-fil-A on the bottom. Then we added our ground beef, our American cheese, our pickles, our bacon, our provolone, and now we got Polynesian. And that's how that looks. And we're gonna take our tops to our rolls and put them back on. So we got the rolls on top, right? And this is the last step. We're gonna paint them with some melted butter. Now the butter is gonna give it that crispy top. That nice crispy top. And this is just melted butter. It's nothing else in there. I just put it in the microwave. I put 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. So it's not even all the way melted, but I put 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. And yeah, that's it. So we're brushing the tops. So we're brushing the tops with the butter. So they're gonna have like a little herb top. Slightly. This is our pre-baked product. So we got this nice yummy looking. We're gonna put it in the oven. Right. So here are the slider rolls, fresh out the oven. They look nice and golden. Look at them. Let's see if I can get a peek up in there. Oh. They got a nice crispy. They got a nice crispy crust. So let's cut. Look at how good that thing look. It's hot. Nice and good. It's a quick, easy meal. Quick, easy meal. Good for parties. Good for any guy. Thanksgiving's coming up. This is your appetizer. Good for parties. You guys like it? Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would y'all give it?
1,000. 1,000,000. 1,000.
We got somebody going back for seconds already. So there you have it. It's kid approved, and it's easy, quick, fast meal for everybody to get and get full and satisfied off of. So until next time, I guess it will do. See that boy like me. Bye. We're new to this YouTube thing. Bear with the noise, y'all. Bear with the noise.